Apaw ang kaligayahan ni Kim Chiu na nakapiling ang kapatid na piloto at stewardess. Sa Canada nga nakabase ang nasabing kapatid ni Kim na pinaaral niya. Aniya nga ni Chinita Princess ngayon nakikipag-unahan na ito sa pagbabayad ng bill ng kinain nila sa restaurant. Kasama ng brother niyang dumating sa bansa ang girlfriend nito. Bro was back from Canada. Distance may keep us apart, but my heart is always with you both. I can't express enough how proud I am of the amazing individual you become. Dagdag pa nga ni Kim Chiu, the little brother I used to know has transformed into a man who's no longer the baby of the family. You even fight me to pay the bill now and treat me to dinner. Simple gestures that makes me teary eyes because they remind me of how much you matured. Words can't describe how proud and happy I am for you and your life right now. I just wish we had more time together and created even more wonderful memories. I love you, my Captain Alpha. One Charlie, keep soaring, the sky is yours to conquer. At para naman sa kapatid niyang stewardess, to Sisi Twinks, thank you for taking leave to look after JP. Life is blessing you so beautifully right now, and seeing you happy and thriving fills my heart with gratitude and love. You deserve all the wonderful things coming to you. At Twinkle Chu. Common knowledge ang pagiging breadwinner ni Kim Chiu. Kaya naman nang manood daw ito ng black screening ng pelikulang And the Breadwinner is super cry ito. Kasama niya sa nasabing black screening si Paolo Abilino na jowa level na raw talaga sila. Grabe, vice ganda, wala na, comedy, horror, drama, grabe ang mga lines doon na ang sakit niya, pinapatamaan niya ba ako? Pero yung iyak ko talaga, nagulat talaga ako, ang isang vice ganda ay nagpapaiyak pala, sabi ni Kim sa isang interview pagkatapos ng black screening na inorganize ni Ann Curtis. Kaya naman talagang nakagraduate na si Kim Chiu sa pagiging breadwinner sa kanyang pamilya dahil nga nakatapos na ang kanyang brother ng pagiging piloto at ang kanyang sister sa pagiging stewardess. Sa pagiging matagumpay niya sa showbiz, kailan naman kaya siya magtatagumpay na makita ang kanyang the one?